Hi there. My window glass doesn't work. It's not going up. I think there's a problem with the regulator. So let's have sort it. So I take out all screws here, from here, and from here. So three screws here by the door. Now I need to pull it up. Screws are here, so need to take them off as well. There's behind two screws as well, one here, one here, need to take them off as well. So then you can take it off this door. So I take them off both screws from here, and now let's try. Yes, the door is come off like this, and we need to 1 second put the handle here. So with the help of knife, I rip it off this plastic thingy because that's a protective cover. So let's try now. Need to pull up. So first you need to pull up the regulator. That's called window regulator. Pull up little bit, and then from here press the button. Let's try again. As you can see, the other side of window is going up. Here you go. It's done. So fix. So now we need to close the door back again. So the door is closed now. Window is also closed. So this car need new regulator. This window is called window regulator. The new cost is for the regulator is £275. I'm in United Kingdom, so the £275 is too much. So it's better you can buy the whole door instead of regulator from the scrapyard and just change the door. That is better. Or you can just get the regulator from the scrapyard and change yourself or ask the mechanic. That's it, but it will be hard. Better change the door. So all you need for this job, this T20 L key, and there is another thingy that is 5.5. I can show you. That is 5.5. As you can see the number, and there is T20 here is okay. These two things you need to open the door, and my job is done. Subscribe my channel MSN official for all you need. So see you in the next video. This is my car. Bye bye, and window is closed. Thank you. Bye bye.